Today we're building a series of 3 patios for Metro Drug Coalition. This is our upper patio, which we've started laying our base for. As we get around to here, we're going to have 2 step downs into this circle. It's an 18-foot diameter. That's going to be the same patio, which is going to have a swooping walkway through the center of it. And this patio will have 2 seats on either side, so people can also, sit down, talk, drink their coffee, enjoy their day. Yeah, and this is our project for Metro Drug Coalition.
Let me run, let me run, live it up, live it up. Anywhere on my brain is the place I wanna be. Let me run, let me run.
Hey, Leanne here. Progress is going pretty good. Got the 2 walls going in here. This whole area is going to be for a cafe that's inside. They're going to kind of overflow, so a place where they can come, sit outside, sip on their coffee, and just enjoy the beautiful weather that Knoxville has to offer. So it's going to be a beautiful space to hang out. I know we're excited to see how it ends up for sure.
As you can see, we've got our pavers down now. We've mimicked our waterway pathway with our cobblestone.
All my life I've been wild inside, always on the hunt for wider skies. Let me run, let me run. Live it up, live it up. Anywhere on my brain is the place I wanna be. Let me